혜리 먹을래?
너무 비싸다. 13kg 13불이 오빠. 그다음에 루돌프 나왔으면 좋겠다. 없어.
무슨 말이야?
없다고. 진짜야. 11째 없어 오빠. 그럼 없는 거다. 없어요. 없어. 뭐냐 이거는? 진짜 어이가 없다. 어쩔 수 없지만 오늘은 없는 날 이렇게 팍 파지는 거야. 그래서 뭐 있는 거야 했는데 없는 거야. 여긴 있겠지. 이거 내가 되게 마시고 싶어 했어. 얼그레이 티. 우리 오빠 오렌지 넣어서 먹자. 이거 냄새 진짜 좋다. 맡아봐. 약간 되게 과일 향 나다.
Days without water along the sunset road. We crossed over borders, get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping, 'cause you fear the night. And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you.